I love that. Don't move.
Beautiful. Love the attitude.
Hi, my name is Samuel Sarfati and I'm fashion photographer from Paris. And today for Canon, a new challenge, the art of natural lights. So I will show you today my settings on camera, some techniques, and a workflow to work on natural lights and to get like something strong every time you want it. Today I'm shooting with the EOS R5 Mark II and the Trinity lenses 1535, 24, 70, 70-200. And I got the special occasion to try today the 2870, was really perfect for fashion, portrait and fashion photography. Let's get started. Let me introduce my amazing model today, Ray, already on set, and let's check the lighting setup we use. As soon as I'm arriving on location, I just check how harsh the light is and where the sun is coming from. To be sure I get the soft look that I want, I use a very large diffuser, even if it's cloudy today. Let's just add some negative panel on the side to get more contrast here on the face and all the body, because we're on the rooftop and everything is silver and white, so the sun is bouncing on everywhere. The better you set up, the easier it becomes to focus on your artistic and fashion photography.
Yeah, it's cool with the hair on the wind.
You want to see? Come. After we will do again few wide angle stuff like that. Yeah, that's really cool. I used to shoot in manual mode to be sure that I got a total control on what I want to do. I love that, you see, like strong face. With the EVF in the LCD, I got a preview on my exposure. And because of the natural light in the cloud and the light is changing that much, I'm always sure that I get the right exposure that I want. To adjust my exposure and change my ISO, I just set like the ring on the lenses to be sure that I get something quick, fast and easy. About the ISO, I used to shoot between like 100 and 800 to be sure that I get the good contrast and no noise on the images. So we just get back on the street to get something a bit more edgy, feel a bit more the London streets and the London vibes. We're still using only natural light for sure and negative panel to get something a very high contrast. I will use like a color checker, or you can use a gray card. It helps you to get the right skin tone and color balance. It's very important to use in the fashion industry because you want your color be matching with the real clothes in real life. Give us a strong attitude.
Looking at me?
So I mostly shoot like autofocus with the R5 when I'm shooting fashion. I can be just like be focusing on the styling, the photography, the lighting and everything. So for the autofocus, you have like different options. You have the eye detection, or you can choose your points, what you want to be really sure on the focus. It's really your decision to use like the best autofocus for your photography and the way that you want to shoot. Okay, so here, and because my model is wearing like sunglasses and I want to be sure that the glasses is really sharp, I use like the center points that I move on a face to be sure that I have the focus where I need to be. The angle is cool, attitude. You have less light because you're in an alley and you have wall everywhere. So you have to really just feel and try different settings, and after just like shoots when you think it's the right one. Yes, perfect. Okay, so now Ray, I want you to move more. You can really walk around the location and just will follow you. I want to get more action on the last one to get the model working and to get a cool shape of the coat in the wind. So I will pick the modes high speed continuous to get more frame, and it will be easier to not miss the right movement. What I love with portrait photography, you don't need a huge amount of equipment to make it. The most important thing is to observe the scene, to see where the light comes from, and to use a bounce or negative to get the contrast or something more softer. If you just started, keep it simple. One reflector or one negative panel, choose the location, and especially choose the time of the day to get the right light at the right moment. If I have to summarize, what I make simple for me is the eye detection, autofocus, automatic white balance. It's perfect when you start as a photographer. Trust your camera, trust your eyes. I can't wait to see what you create for this challenge. Head to Canon website to check more.